ETA Group welcomes you. Mr. Batuk P. Shah was born in the Zalawat family, and he's the pioneer of the ETA Group of companies. He is a graduate in automobile engineering. Mr. Shah started his career in 1969 with a hand press. With his daring and dedication, he bought a few more machines. Today, with experienced partners, he has come to a stage of having 5 brand companies situated in many places of Maharashtra, like Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, and Shahpur. The group of companies is planning to double the turnover in coming 2 years. Here are some of the achievements. Companies consist of CAD and CAM design department run by dedicated designers. Highly sophisticated software packages are used, like SolidWorks and AutoCAD of many seats. These softwares enables the work to be precise and fast. Stamping facility with machines of 10 tons to 500 tons are full-fledged in companies. These machines run continuously round the clock to attain high-end productions for companies like Mahindra and various other companies. Robotic system, one of the latest technology in the world and today's modern version without any human being, giving production of 100% quality and 100% timely productivity. Robotic system enables the work to be in high accuracy and precision. Mr. Shah's group has been into designing and manufacturing of special purpose machines according to the product requirement, which helps to produce components in millions like various models of circlips. With these highly proven machines, production has been on a high rise. These machines have been indigenously manufactured in our group. CNC machines play a major role in today's leading industrial sectors. Our group of companies has around 100 CNC machines working round the clock to cater to many automobile, pharmacy, and electrical-based industries. Majority of our CNC machines is of the top brand in the world, which consists of Makino, Japan. This machine gives high-quality precision in production. Today, having all these machines of high-end configuration, we are one of the top vendors of Mahindra and Mahindra. Mr. Shah's group of companies has highly sophisticated inspection system like CMM Marpos system, which helps us to give best accuracy inspection. Our rejection percentage is 0 in all the major companies to which we cater, like Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti, Yamaha, Crompton Greaves, and various exports. We give just-in-time service to all the companies with good packing and forwarding systems. Mr. Shah is also in the construction business. Here are some of his recent projects. 44 bungalow project in Lonavala. Commercial complex buildings in Mumbai. Individual industrial buildings in Navi Mumbai. 6 acres of industrial project in Bhivandi. ETA Group thanks you.